quarantine and social distancing has changed the way that we live at home, go to work, and handle our day-to-day lives. Whether you're in desperate need of cash, or just looking to make some extra money on the side, there are still many options that we can use to ease our financial tensions, and boost our ability to find new income strategies. Here are 5 ways that you can earn a few extra bucks during the quarantine. Become a freelancer. Work for yourself and make big bucks on your own hours by doing freelance work. Data entry, proofreading, and administrative work are all being outsourced during the pandemic, and you could capitalize on all the opportunities that freelancing provides. Just because you didn't get any school in a particular field, doesn't mean that work isn't available for you. Check job postings for business that are hiring for workers that have strengths like yours. Deliver groceries, food, and other essential supplies. Social distancing guidelines and stay-at-home orders make many people stuck inside their homes, but the demand for food and groceries never goes away. People are more likely to stay home, and many delivery services are offering free delivery through the pandemic. All of these variables combined mean more employees, more day-to-day operations, and more money in your pocket. Work part-time. With non-essential business closures around the country, there are a few types of business that will remain open for the remainder of the quarantine. Grocery stores and pharmacies are doing the most hiring for on-location jobs, and they need new workers ASAP. Meeting the demands of the crisis, food, cleaning supplies, medicine, and toiletries are causing a shortage of workers in the supply chain. Sell your stuff. Other than a few essential grocery stores, all retail stores are closed indefinitely. You can take advantage of the absence of big retail stores by selling your things online. Following social distancing protocols are not that difficult, and your new customers will thank you for providing a way for them to continue to shop online. With spring cleaning on the way, you should have no problem cleaning out your closet, and finding things that you don't need and don't wear. Apply for unemployment insurance. If you have been laid off during the pandemic, you will probably qualify for unemployment through the U.S. government. Requirements may vary between states, but if you are looking to respond to financial instability quickly, unemployment insurance is a great way to supplement your income for a short period of time. During times like these, though it's not always easy, do your best to focus on what is most important to you. Things like family, your health, and what you do have, are important to keep in mind. Stay positive, have a solution-seeking mindset, and leverage some of these ways to make money during the pandemic, and it will all work out.